Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be unboxing new GPS navigator which is Navman Move130M. So if you are thinking why we need to buy the GPS navigators now, because everybody can use the Google Maps on the mobile phone, or even the cars have inbuilt dashboard where they can use the navigation, then I would like to tell you first thing, red P or green P license holder, they can't use the mobile phone. Many people are not aware of this law. There is a $386 fine and with the 5 demerit points. So it is very hard for the young boys or girls who are getting the license with the so much trainings and all that classes. So with because red P license holder, they have 4 points only demerit points, and this mobile phone use fine has 5 demerits. So what it means is you are ignorant about the law and you get fine and just lose the license. So even if you have a red P, even if the mobile is on the stand, even if you are not taking call or touching the phone, still you have to bear the fine. It is bit surprising and strange, but that is the law. So now let's see what's inside the box. This navigator has couple of cool features, like it alerts you on the safety camera, speed cameras, plus lane guidance, also advanced lane guidance, and plus fuel, where is the fuel stations, and a lot of other features. Let's see what's inside the box. So let's see what's inside this box. So these are some of the information booklets and quick start guide, and this is the charging cable. And this is the cool navigator system, GPS, and charging ports and data transfer cable. And then this is the suction cup for the navigator. So it is pretty much and this is the clip so for that. So pretty much this is what inside the box. So as you can see, it's a nice one, and it is always better to buy this set for $139 and save a fine of $386 with the 5 demerit points. So to set up and start this navigator, on the top left side you can see there is a power button, this one, blue color, and you have to just turn it on. So these are the basic menu: find, map, places, meetings, settings. So it is showing a demo mode. So it is showing a lane guidance, like you have to turn right after 80 meter, and street name is there, Morwick Street, and on the right side you can see the kilometers for the destination. So this is a touch screen, and size is 5 inches, which is pretty big size. More disappointing is the cable. Charging cable is very small, like if you put up it on the windscreen, perhaps you won't be able to charge. So this is, press the main menu, and then you can go to setting, and you can see audio screen, safety, routine option, units, demo, and you can press near me, and it's saying your last known location will be used. You can say okay. So, and then you can find out if you are after food, any restaurants, petrol, parking, hotels, so you can find out. So you can save your own places also, your favorite one, my places. So just click on that, and then you can save that. Let's say my home, so you can put up the address. So overall the product is good, and value for the money. The only thing is the charging cable is not too long, so it should be properly so that you can put up in the car socket. So that is bit small size, and perhaps you need to spend extra money to buy that. If you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon.